Okay, let's continue to learn a little bit about Asprite, and we're going to focus on amazing functionality. It's so amazing that I did not come across this functionality in any other software, at least in my knowledge. That is the magic wand. Okay, so let me show you. So right now we got selection. Okay, so yeah, since we're already here, I'm going to show you all the selections. So first is rectangular marquee tool. Basically, it's just a selection. Okay, you can select this and you can actually move this. Okay, you can move the pixel around. It's a really interesting one. And of course, if you hover over it, yeah, you can get all these suggestions like left button replace and add current selection, but I left-handed I like flip things around. So right button remove current selection. Okay, so you can actually remove, and this selection, like we can remove this part of the selection. Okay, this part you can like carve out even, and then you can move things around. It's amazing. But I'm left-handed, so everything is like flipped. Doesn't really matter. Of course, you can just using the elliptical marquee tool. Basically, got selections. So, for example, I got this eye. I want to like carve this eye out. I can just go something like this. Okay, and I can make it here. And of course, you can just use another tool just to carve some part of it out. Okay, really simple one. And let's change to lasso. Yeah, lasso. As the name suggests, just lasso. By the way, if you want to deselect everything, Command and D is just the same as in Photoshop. So I'm using Photoshop a lot, so it becomes really easy. Lasso tool, really simple. You can just like a freehand selection. Okay, of course you can use another just deselect things, so you can get some of the things that I can carve out. Really simple one here. Command D, deselect. Yeah, I think I pretty much finished with all this. Polygon lasso tool, just really simple. You can just use polygon, right? And click, and then you can like using a polygon. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, just here. Yeah, sorry. How to do that? I need to like hold on. Okay, I believe I hover. Rectangular shortcut Shift and Q, left button replace add current selection. Okay, and yeah, pretty strange. Okay, so I got this. It's a little bit different than Photoshop's like a polygon selection. It's that you have to there's a learning curve here. So you click and drag, and when you select this place, then you click and drag. Okay, and then you got this place, and you click and drag. Okay, so for example here, and then click again, it will just be selected. So yeah, this do got some sort of learning curve. Sorry about that. And Command and D, deselect. But that here comes to the finally got the thing that I want you guys to to just I want to show this. It's amazing. The magic wand selection is very interesting. You select this, you automatically get everything selected. But here comes amazing. But because it's pixel art, so most of the time the color is exactly the same. So if you select continuous, you will select like the continuous area. But if you do not select here, you can see this two area is separated, but you choose everything, and then you can move. Right? You can like drag the color out from this character. That's amazing. But here comes, if you want to, let's just deselect. You want to select this line here. Select it. But if you want to select all this black dot, get rid of continuous, right? Select again. You got all this part selected. Okay? And then of course you can move. But as you guys can see, it's not going to select everything. Okay? So that's the not so good part. So you have to refer active layer, stop at grid, visible layer. Like you sort of like stop at grid, like refer visible layer. Like this is really like you have to like think about this. Which kind of layer? So for example, got like the color layer, the outline, something like that. You can then pixel connectivity like 8 connected. Okay, so you can change the threshold. So right now, let's just do that again. So you can select something like this. You can like four connected, okay, stop a grid. I believe they were to be no different because I got like a breaking point here. So here, and then you can add, remember, you can left button and add to the current selection. So for example, here, I can add. I believe I need to hold in shift so I can add everything. Even though the threshold, I don't think the threshold didn't change a lot of things, at least in this specific drawing. So once you select it, then you can move, so you can get the whole line art moving out. This is amazing. It's amazing, really, really convenient, especially you got this separated layer. Okay, so yeah, so that's all about this selection. So thanks, see you next video, bye.